Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a privacy complaint on YouTube. First, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, as this is essential for accessing the correct forms. Then, you will navigate directly to the YouTube Help Center and locate the dedicated privacy complaint form. This is your initial step to addressing any privacy concerns you might have on the platform. Before filing, it is important to clearly understand what constitutes a privacy violation under YouTube's guidelines. This typically involves the sharing of personal identifiable information without the individual's permission. Think of things like a person's name, their home address, their phone number, or other sensitive data being publicly displayed. The content must clearly identify someone. To make your complaint as effective as possible, you will need to gather specific details. First, obtain the complete URL of the video containing the alleged violation. Next, pinpoint the exact timestamps within the video where the privacy issue is present, perhaps at 1 minute and 20 seconds. If you have any relevant screenshots, include those as well to strengthen your report. Once you have gathered all your evidence, proceed to fill out the privacy complaint form carefully. Ensure you provide all the requested information accurately, including your contact details and the details you collected. In the description box, articulate clearly how your privacy has been violated, using simple and direct language. Attach your supporting files before you finalize your submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.